Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to collect the seeds from lungwort. So let's go. Lungwort, also known as Pulmonaria, is a hardy perennial here where I live in New Hampshire Zone 5B. It's a beautiful plant that blooms during the early spring months, and when the blooms go by, you still have some beautiful foliage on the plant, and it provides a lot of wonderful interest in a shade garden. There are a couple of ways you can propagate this plant. The easiest way is through division. I have a video showing how to propagate the plant through division. I'll put a link to it down below as well as up above. Today's video is going to focus on how to collect the seeds from the plant. And you want to do it at the right time, because if you wait too long, you might miss the window of opportunity and the seeds will have dropped. Here's a nice big lungwort plant. You'll notice that it still has some beautiful blooms on it, the pink and purple flowers. Those will not have seeds in them. You need to wait until the flowers have fully faded and gone by. Look how pretty that is. Eventually, when the flowers fade, then what happens is they start to form their seed pods. Here's an example of what the seed pod looks like. And I'm just tipping it up for you. If you look inside, there are the seeds. And if you notice that the seeds are a light green or a white color, that means that they're not ripe yet. So if I was to pull this off and try to save those seeds, what would happen is the seeds will never ripen. You always want to wait for the seeds to ripen on the plant. I opened up the seed pod so you can have a closer look at the seeds. There are 3 in there, and notice the color. Those seeds are not ripe. So what you'll find happening is you might have fresher, newer blooms at the top of your plant. But if you look at the base of your plant, that's where you'll often find the older blooms. The seed pod and the leaves might be a light green or a yellow color. And when you look inside, you'll notice the seeds are starting to turn a black color. That's what you're waiting for. You want those seeds to be a nice black color. So again, here's the example of seeds that are not quite ready or quite ripe yet. Notice the color. These are seeds that are not ripe, so we would not want to collect them. And these are ones that look ripe to me, so let's go ahead and release them from the seed pod. I'm just going to open it up like this, and I'm removing the seeds. And it looks like that one only had 1. That's what the seed looks like. It's a nice, shiny, black-colored seed. Here's another one. And they're pretty small, but just remember, each seed will create one whole plant. I like to take the seeds out and put them on some sort of a paper like this one here, and I let them dry for about a week or so because I don't want to store them wet. If I store them wet, they're apt to rot. And then after that, I like to store them in a small bag like this one here. As long as the seeds are dry, they're perfectly fine to store in a bag. You could also store your seeds in some sort of a paper envelope. This one has a few seeds in it, it looks like. They're definitely a little sticky to get out, but once you get them out, you end up with a whole bunch of seeds. So if you have this plant in your yard, take a look and see if you can find the seeds from them. It's a lot of fun, and for me, it will be a fun experiment to winter sow these seeds this coming winter. I'll be storing the seeds in a cool, dark, dry location, and when it comes time to sowing the seeds, I'll be giving them a cold, moist stratification period. When it comes time to sowing the seeds, I'm going to be using the winter sowing process. I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. I have a whole playlist on my channel having to do with winter sowing. I'll put a link to it down below. Another way you can give your seeds a cold, moist stratification period is by putting the seeds in your refrigerator. But the seeds need to stay moist. You might have to put them in some sort of a potting media. And when it comes time to sow the seeds need light to germinate. So when you do sow them, just make sure you're sprinkling them on top and pressing them into the potting mix. Let me know if you have lungwort in your garden, and if so, have you ever propagated it from seed or have you just propagated it from division? And until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.